Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I will be reviewing this wig right here. So if you'd like to know what I think, my true opinion, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I'd like for everyone to check out my website, La Vida Rosa Style. And on that website, you can find cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing right now. And we're currently having a huge store-wide sale, so click that link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, this wig is a Zury sister wig, and it's Beyond Your Imagination in the style Saro and in the color FFT Blonde. And it is a lace front, and it has a nice looking natural part with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. And it also has a few little baby hairs in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. And for those who are wondering if this is big head friendly, it does fit a little snug on my head. And I don't think I necessarily have a big head, but because of my hair underneath, it can be. So it is a little snug. Okay, this is a little cute. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is finger comb a little bit. These curls are like, you know, loose, like curls, almost as if you did it with a wand. I'm really loving the color. It's blonde, but it has like darker roots, and then it has like the blonde highlights right here, but it's like an ash blonde, and then it's like, you know, like an ash blonde throughout. It's like a darker ash blonde. Very cute. I'm just trying to like comb out the curls a little bit because I feel like that's gonna make it look better. And like I said, I feel like the middle part is really cute. I feel like it looks good, very natural looking. I'm not seeing much shedding or tangling. Yes, this is really cute. This is one of the ones that you can just like take out of the box and it just automatically looks good, especially the part. I really didn't have to do anything. I don't have to like cut it. I mean, I had to cut the lace, but it just looks good. I love the color. The length is like to my boobs. Yeah, and like to my, like past my bra strap in the back. The hair itself has like a healthy looking shine. It doesn't look fake, even though the hair isn't real. It feels nice. It's moving, you know. It seems to be moving with me, not really stiff. So you can apply heat to this hair up to 400 degrees. It claims to be very lightweight, and it is very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Very, you know, like I said, it moves with you. This is perfect when you want to dress up and you want to look really cute, but you don't feel like doing your hair. This is like I said, straight out the box. Real cute, real cute. I like that. And this color is different. It's not like sometimes when you order wigs, the color is a little like, especially when it's blonde, it's a little yellowish orangish. This is completely like neutral and ash, like has like that ash tone, and I love it. This wig also claims to have feathered ends, and I agree. Like the ends are not just like, it doesn't look like somebody just cut it. It just does look very feathered, very cute. I said you could dress it up, but I feel like you could also, like, you know, if you want to do it like an everyday thing, I feel like it'd be a nice little switch up to the little routine. If I had to grade this wig, I would give it an A, because straight out the pack, I really didn't have to do anything but like finger comb, and I didn't have too much shedding at all, didn't get tangled up. The color is A1. It looks so realistic. So if you like this wig, it's not available just yet. It will be available soon, and I will leave the link down below in the comments once it is available. This is actually like a first. Zury actually sent me this wig to like show y'all and get my opinion and let y'all know what's coming up. So if y'all like this, let me know down below. Do you like this wig? Would you rock this wig yourself? And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.